अस्सलामुअलैकुम गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल पास पेपर हब। आज की वीडियो में हम फिज़िक्स एस सी ई 1 का पास पेपर डिस्कस करने वाले हैं जो सेशन 2025 में हुआ था, जिसका टोटल टाइम हमारे पास 3 और है और 25 मिनट सेक्शन ए के हैं। सेक्शन ए मार्क 17, टोटल टाइम अलाउ 25 मिनट। क्वेश्चंस हमारे पास यहाँ MCQs है। हम लोगों ने पहले आप लोगों ने ये क्वेश्चंस रीड करना है और इनमें से कोई से भी करेक्ट ऑप्शन को फिल करना है। अगर आप लोग 2 ऑप्शन फिल कर देंगे तो भी आपके नंबर डिडक्ट होंगे और आप गलत करेंगे तो भी आपके नंबर कटेंगे। इसीलिए आपको ख्याल से देख के सोच समझ के से करना है। अब हम लोग आगे चलते हैं। इसी तरह का आपका अगला पेपर भी आएगा जो सेशन 2026 में होगा, तो इसी को देख लें और समझ लें और अच्छी सी तैयारी कर लें। फिजिक्स HSC1, time allowed 2 और 35 minutes. Section B, mark 42. Question number 2. Answer the following part briefly. Number 1. Drive the relation for centripetal acceleration on a body moving in a circle of radius with r with velocity v, or find the power diverted by the engine of the attaining velocity 2 or 3 meters square while it exert a force. Part 2. What is meant by dot product of two vector? Give mathematical expression and one example. One example भी देनी है। और drive PV, K and T for a ideal gas. Number 3. Part 3. Differentiate between constructive and destructive interference of wave, or a rabbit jump over an object 0.7 meter high. A. Considering just the vertical motion, calculates its vertical speed when it leaves the ground. B. How long a time it stays in the air. Part 4. Briefly describe the term stress strain and Young's modules, or briefly explain the application of Doppler's effect in radar and astronomy. Part 5. What is meant by elastic potential energy? Give its mathematical form. Or a projectile is launched horizontally from a top of a 50-meter high cliff and land at a distance of 20 meters from the base of its cleft. Determine the magnitude of the launch velocity. Part 6. The electricity of photon is given by EHF. Find the dimension of Planck's constant H, where F is frequency. Or a point source of ground emit a sound energy at a roll of 150 volt. Calculate the intensity of sound at a distance of 4 meters. How this source. Part 7. A ball of mass 120 gram is released from a height of 30 meter. The ball encounter an air resistance of 30 and find the kinetic energy of a ball just before striking the ground. Or briefly describe the following of polarization in transverse waves. Part 8. Briefly describe the elastic deformation and plastic deformation. Or calculate the electrical field intensity at a distance of 0.5 meter from a point change of 2 multiplied by 10 positive degree in a vacuum. Number 9. Part 9. A current of 2A is flowing in a copper consider which a cross section of 1 mm square. Find the drift velocity of an electron for copper m 8.5 multiplied by 10 per meter square. Or derive the formula for kinetic energy using the equation of motion. Part 10. Find the find efficiency of a heat engine operating between 40 to 427 degrees Celsius and 27 degrees Celsius. Or the electrical field at a point due to a point change is 26 nc, and the electrical potential at the point of 13 degrees, and calculate the distance of a point from the change. Part 11. Determine the relationship for maximum height of a projectile, or difference between conservative and non-conservative force. Part 12. An object having a net change of 25 having a 24 is placed at a uniform electrical field 610 nc directed vertically. What is the mass of a object if its force present in the field? Or a proton is moving in a circular orbit of radius 12 millimeter in a uniform 0.3 t magnetic field perpendicular to the velocity of a proton. Find the speed of the proton. Part 13. Find the momentum of a position moving with relative speed. The energy of a position is 0.4 MeV, or according to which purpose principle ship float on water. Explained briefly. Part 14. Distinguish between crystalline and amorphous solid, or calculate the resistance of wire 15-meter long that has a diameter of 1.5 millimeter and resistivity of 2.63 multiplied by 10 square resistor. Section C, Mark 26. Attempt the following question. हमारे पास 4 क्वेश्चंस हैं, इनमें से आप लोगों ने कोई से भी 4 हैं, इनके 2 पार्ट्स हैं, आप लोगों ने कोई भी कर सकते हैं। इनमें से जो आपको इजी लगता है वही आप लोग करें, और एक ही करना है, 2 करने की जगह भी नहीं होती। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. व्हाट इज मेंट बाय एंगुलर मोमेंटम? डिटरमाइन द एंगुलर मोमेंटम ऑफ आर regret body, or state and explain the second law of thermodynamics. Also draw a diagram. Question number 4. Explain the origin of the force between current carrying conductor and determine the direction of a force. Or how does the frequency of sound appear when it's moved? A. Toward a stationary observer. B. Away the stationary observer. Question number 6. Explain the working of Van't meter. Give its mathematical form. Draw its sketch. Or what is meant by quark? Explain the quark family of particle. Question number 6. Find current flowing through each resistor using Kirchhoff law in the given circuit. Or what is the special theory of relativity? Describe the following consequences of special theory of relativity. A. Mass variation. B. Length constructing. C. टाइम डिलेशन. अगर आपको मेरी वीडियो पसंद आए तो लाइक और सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें, और कमेंट भी करें ताकि आपके नए आने वाली कमेंट पे मैं वीडियो बना सकूं। और शेयर करना भी ना भूलें। थैंक यू सो मच।